If you want to have a romantic experience in China, but you still stick to your Western dating culture, casual date or sex, seeing more than one person at the same time, or not willing to start a serious relationship after a month, you may be labeled as being unfaithful. And if you plan to introduce someone you're dating to your parents, you may be sending a wrong signal that you're ready to settle down or get married. And most terribly, if you go to meet your girlfriend's or boyfriend's parents with your hands empty, you are so dead. Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your native Chinese speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're going to talk about some words and concepts that are a little bit hard for people from other cultures to understand when they are dating a Chinese. But before I start this video, I want to tell all you guys, I love you! The first word, 暧昧. 暧昧. The English translation is unclear. It talks about the ambiguous stage before two people start their relationship. You meet someone from school, from work, or from an event, and you have a crush on this person, and they seem to be interested in you too. So you start texting, sending nude photos of animals, and sharing your life with each other. But you seldom flirt. You keep asking your friend, 他到底喜不喜欢我呀? Or you may even want to resort to a fortune teller. This stage of sweet torment is what we call 暧昧. So you may tell your friend, 最近我在跟一个男的暧昧，你看，这是他发给我的，你觉得他怎么想? Number 2, 追求. 追求. Different from 暧昧, in some other situations, men, and normally are men, will become more determined and start pursuing the girls. It is still really common in China for a man pursuing a woman. Some normal ways of pursuing a woman includes 送花, 送礼物, 请客吃饭, 请客看电影, 发早安, 晚安. But many girls will have a reserved attitude, even if they've already liked the guy back. In Chinese, we call this kind of attitude 矜持. 矜持. 他约我去吃饭呢，星期四我有空啊，不行，我得矜持一下。对不起，星期四我约了朋友。If you're 25 plus and you're single, even though you really enjoy your life being single, your parents don't. Many Chinese parents will start looking for potential husband or wives for their 25 plus children. Because if you have passed 30 and you have not married, you will be considered as a 剩女 or 剩男。女儿，这个张叔叔的儿子星期六去见一下啊。人家是律师，家里有3套房。相亲 The arranged date instead of arranged marriage is still really popular in China. 相亲 will be more straightforward than normal dating. You will flat out skip the stage of 暧昧 and directly go to a stage more like, is the person a good husband or wife? Young generations will ask some question like, 你的工作是什么? 你平时喜欢做什么? Or 你喜欢吃什么? Some casual questions. But there are some people who will directly jump to more important questions, and most of them are related to money. 你的工资是多少? 你有车吗? 你有房吗? 你的父母有退休金吗? Looks terrible, right? But this is not as terrible as 催婚。催婚。妈妈，我升职了，你高兴吗？你知道什么最让妈妈开心了？哎，女儿，你看看李阿姨的儿子都有2胎了，你看，你看这个小宝宝多可爱呀！妈妈，我的小宝贝也很可爱。Next word is 撒娇。撒娇。I had a hard time finding an exact English equivalent. But since I'm so good at acting, I will just directly act to you. 宝贝，这个包好漂亮啊，你给我买嘛。工作，工作，工作，就知道工作。哼，哼。So you can see 撒娇 is an action normally made by young women in China in order to get their boyfriend's attention or get what they want. I don't know how you guys feel about this, but Chinese guys loved it. I'm not 100% sure why, but I guess it's because when their girlfriend acting like babies, guys will feel themselves being stronger and they can protect their girlfriends. If you have any clues, please leave a comment down below and tell me what do you think. Let's say you and your Chinese significant other have been dating for years and you're about to step into the next stage. What you need to do now is going to meet parents on both sides. Yes, in China, sometimes meeting parents is a sign showing that you're about to settle down. Normally, we won't meet our boyfriends and girlfriends' parents if we are not ready to get married. And if you're finally going to meet your boyfriend's or girlfriend's parents, don't forget this! This is what we call 见面礼。见面礼。见面 to meet. 礼 as in the word 礼物 which means gift, present. It's a really important courtesy in China. Never ever with your hands empty to meet Chinese parents. 哎，请进，请进，请进。随便坐啊。So these are some Chinese exclusive idea when talking about dating. Hope I've given you a brief picture of Chinese dating culture. But again, not all people are the same. There are so many people who are different from what I told you in this video, except A. So if you like this video, please hit on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. I'm Shuo from Shuo Chinese, 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见。